first things first, ano yung parang ma-expect ng fans sa inyo regarding Sulong P-pop concert? Especially your performance is coming December 23 at SM North Edge as Idol.
Actually, this is a great opportunity for us to let Isla know more. And yung music namin, we are planning to launch next year. So we're excited to let the P-pop audience hear about this. Ayun. So this Sulong, not only we are happy or grateful to know more about Isla, but the collaboration with other P-pop.
Speaking of aside from the collaboration with other P-pop acts na magiging part ng concert na ito, what are your expectations as a group sa event na ito?
We're hoping to get more fans and some more people to get to know about us. Kasi though we don't have a song yet, we want other people to expect na magustuhan ko yung group namin.
And also, more interactions with other people. Hashtag P-pop Pride.
So finally, before we end this interview, kindly invite your fans for this wonderful concert. Mangyayari this December 20.